Hello, and thank you for joining this training session. Today we will be talking about two different types of file storage and sharing as an introduction. There are multiple ways of storing files in a computer or over the network. Today we will be talking about network drives and cloud storage. Network drive is a type of computer drive that is installed and operated over a computer network. These type of drives are normally operated over a local area network, which is also known as the LAN. On the other hand, cloud storage is a mode of computer data storage in which digital data is stored on servers at an off-site location. This type of data storage is accessed over the internet. We will start talking about network drives, their usage, and mapping. As shown in the picture on the left, network drives will be visible on the left panel under this PC, as well as on the network locations in the Windows File Explorer. Network drives are mapped and accessed directly through the File Explorer on a local computer. Internet connectivity is always required in order for users to access the drives. Drives are shared across all or selected users on the local network based on permissions. In order to connect or map network drives in the local network, permissions must be provisioned before they can be accessed. This also gives the ability to users to restrict files and folder accessibility. There are different advantages and disadvantages about network drive storage. As part of the advantages, files can be shared with multiple users in the network. Permissions allow users to share and store sensitive information. And there's also a possibility for file restore and backup, which is also a big advantage as it allows file recovery in case of any problems with the file or folder. As part of the disadvantages, network connectivity is always required in order for users to access the drives. There's a risk of deletion, modification, or files being corrupt. Data can be subtracted or copied from drives. This means that any person that has access to a drive can copy information from the drive to a local computer. The process for drive mapping will be as shown in the pictures showing it. First, you will open the Windows File Explorer. Then you will click on this PC as it's shown on the image on the left. Then move the cursor to the top panel and click on Computer. Once you click on Computer, you will need to click on Map Network Drive as shown in the picture on the top right corner. Once you click Map Network Drive, a new box will open up. You will select the letter and enter the full path for the drive or browse for the drive location. Always make sure to check the option that says Reconnect at Sign In for drive reconnection every time you restart the computer, and then you click Finish. Now, on the other hand, we will talk about cloud storage. Cloud storage is a way of storing data which is entirely over the network and requires access to an internet browser. Digital data is stored on remote servers located at off-site locations. Servers are maintained by a third-party provider who is responsible for hosting, managing, and securing data stored in the cloud. There are different cloud storage providers. Some of them could be Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, and Apple iCloud Drive. There are also advantages and disadvantages about cloud storage as it happens with the network drives. As part of the advantages, data is always accessible by a public or private internet connection, which is a difference from the network drives, which are only accessible through local network. The cost of storage, access, and maintenance for organizations is a big advantage as organizations do not have to spend money in expensive data centers. Disadvantages could be that latency due to network issues, outages could restrict data availability. Outages can occur and will make the stored data unavailable for a certain period of time. And there's also provider rules and regulations that can restrict the storage. As a difference from the drive mapping for network drives in cloud storage, users are required to sign in to their account or register in order to have access to their saved data. And this concludes our training session for today. I hope you enjoyed it and have learned about the topics discussed. Thank you for watching and have a great day.